So with the slime situation, my friend, Unlucky Fun Kid, go subscribe to her, she's awesome. She said that I should add lotion for stiffness and then activator for the stickiness. So it's not sticky anymore, luckily. So now I just have to add lotion. I'm gonna add this scented lotion. It's Winterberry Wonder. I think it's from Bath & Body Works, I don't know, but I'll have to put it in. Gosh. I'm out of breath because I just ran upstairs. Okay. I'll need this in. This is very, it's not working. So it's still not sticky, it's still stiff. Okay guys, it's still really stiff. So if you guys have anything else that will help it in the comments, please comment down below. And remember, this is a glow-in-the-dark clear slime, so help me please.